Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And yeah, today is 5th. I will be leaving for Singapore today. So this is like the last time I'm actually filming from this location. The board is still intact. I'm thinking of leaving it this way. Feels weird, but yeah, at least I have you to take with me on this journey. It's going to be an emotional roller coaster the next 1 or 2 days, and I would love to share it through this little vlog with you all. My flight is at 9 p.m. today, but I'll reach the airport by 5:30 or something like that. And yeah, let's just see how things go. Has to be the longest walkway I've ever seen. You think that's far away? It's actually that far away. Oh, it's actually that far away. Hello, welcome back. It's actually the next day. I couldn't record much of it after I left the airport because it just happened all too quickly. I did record a few videos from the cab, but that's basically it. I was too excited and too nervous to really be recording anything. We are planning to head out today to a place called Little India in Singapore. It's outside the campus. We'll probably get some groceries and then also have dinner outside tonight. I do have a whole lot of other stuff to do as well today. For example, I haven't even opened up my suitcases yet or set up the room at all. So I need to somehow figure all of them. But yeah, that's I haven't even given you a room tour, have I? So let's do that first. Alright, so I have set up my room and I have also taken a bath finally. It's really humid out here, really hot. It was a nice transition coming from Delhi to here because Delhi is super cold right now. But right now I do feel, I'm starting to feel a little bit annoyed by the heat. Anyways, here's the room setup tour. So this is like sort of an open cupboard setup. I have all my clothes here. I don't have a hanger right now. So I've kept all my suits up here, which I will then hang over here. I'm also probably gonna keep all my shirts on the hanger as well. My shoes go over here, but that's basically all there is in the cupboard. Behind the door, by the way, you have 3 hooks, and that's basically it. There's a door lock. The weird thing about these doors is that they don't have any stopper. So as you can see, it will always close. I don't know why it is the case, but yeah, that's how it is. You also do get this sort of smaller lock. This is the controls for the AC. Haven't used it yet because it's actually a paid service, 90 cents or something an hour. I'm not really sure, but yeah, if it gets too hot, I can definitely consider using that as well. This is the fan control and 3 switches for that light over there, the one here, and the one for the fan, of course. I'm a bit upset about the fact that there are no switches for these light bulbs anywhere near the bed. Back in SNU there were, so I was expecting a bit more, I guess. But it's okay. So as you can see, this is the bed. I have put up a bed sheet and have a blanket here, but I do have to get a pillow, so I don't have that yet. Hopefully soon. There's a side table available, just a bunch of stuff kept there, and yeah, the charging plugs are over there. Do remember that in case you end up coming to Singapore, the ports they use are different from those in India. I have gotten this sort of extension port which converts Indian pin system into the Singapore type. I think it's called type G here in Singapore, so do get these. I'll tell you exactly which one I got. This is the one that I got, 2-in-1 travel plug. I'll probably try to find the link and put it in the description for Amazon for this product. And this is a pin board, so you can actually pin things into it if you want to, some reminders or just some photos you might have, so that's convenient. That looks like a speaker or an air vent, but I'm honestly not sure. Might as well be a hidden camera, who knows. This is then the most interesting part of the room in my opinion, because you have 3 really big windows through which you can peek outside, and the view outside my room is really good. So I really enjoy that. Another thing that I find a little bit annoying is the fact that you have no place to actually dry your clothes. So for example, if I come out of the bathroom, I have to just keep my towel here. I cannot like hang it outside like I used to back in SNU. But that's that. You have blinders for each one of these windows, and then here's the table, sufficiently big. uh, I have a bunch of dry fruits and namkeen over there, my water bottle, and just the usual setup that I had back at home. And then there's like some bookshelves up here. I do have some important documents, and then this is a whiteboard. I ended up getting a bunch of markers which I can now use on this whiteboard like I used to back at home. So although it's not as big as the one in my room, I think it should be sufficient for just taking quick notes, etc. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, there are a bunch of drawers here as well. I keep some temporary stuff over here, the things that I would probably need on daily basis, but nothing too important. Yeah, that's the whole room. What do you think about it? Do let me know. I think the room is amazing. There's wooden flooring, there's sufficient space, and this whole place is mine. That's amazing. I don't have to share it with the roommate, although I feel like it might get a little bit lonely. I don't really know. I haven't lived in a single room before except for like 2 months in SNU. So I don't know how that would work, but I hope it doesn't get too frustrating. That's the room tour. Thanks for watching. Hello. I promise this is the last time I'm appearing in this video. Also, this is the last sort of section of the video. I wanted to keep this last section organic and tell you what's up. So now it is 15th March, or actually it's 16th March because it's 2 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I'm just recording this sort of monologue to end the video. So you can see a bit has changed on the appearance front. My hair is a bit longer because I haven't gotten a haircut even once after coming here. I also have this red guy accompanying me through the editing portion. I've lost 6 kgs in weight. I recently realized a lot of it has to be attributed to the daily up and down that I now have to do. The science faculty is about 1.5 kilometers away from my hostel block. Well, there are internal shuttle buses available which I generally take, but even after that it's easy 8,000 steps, and it generally crosses the 10,000 steps mark as well. I also go for a routine walk every evening, or at least try to. I'm also going for an astronomy club event every Friday. I am now a member. I get to see through their telescopes and just get to know a lot more. It's always fun to go there and introduce yourself as a PhD who's working in gravitational waves. People generally get really impressed by that, especially in the astronomy club. There was also this qualifying exam we had to qualify in this first semester. It recently happened, and today I got the news that I have qualified the exam. Yeah. Well, to be honest, and this is the part that generally does not get talked about a lot in videos like this, it has also been a little bit isolating. The PhD, who knew? I mean, yeah, sure, I had some idea that it would be like this when I came here, but I feel like someday you can just go without talking to anyone in your vicinity, and that's a bit stressful. Certainly the single room arrangement isn't helping, as I predicted in the video, but it's still okay. It's just that after coming back to the room, let's say 8 or 9 p.m. in the evening, it's just you, right? And that gets a bit lonely sometimes. On a lighter side, living alone has also taught me how to cook for myself. It's just important to mention to anyone coming to Singapore or like going for any higher education degree abroad. Definitely you're gonna experience culture shocks, and you will see a whole bunch of more diversity than you are used to seeing in India, of course. I have experienced that in the past 2 months. Definitely there's the workload with the PhD work, the actual research work that you do. What I really want to discuss are all the peripherals that go unnoticed. I don't know, I'm just rambling off the top of my head, but these are some things that you can probably take a look at. If you have any more questions or any more things that I missed out on in this video, didn't cover, or something you want to specifically ask me, of course the comment section is always open. And yeah, it took me 2 months to make this first vlog because of the whole settling in part, but I'll try to be more mindful of making vlogs and just recording everything as I do them. Hopefully more vlogs will come in soon, and I will update you about the various things that go on in the PhD life, as I've intended to do initially, really soon and hopefully more frequently. So with that, I would like to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This took quite a while to make, and I hope to see you in the next one. See ya.